A recent GPS glitch has caused chaos for owners of older Wahoo cycling computers, specifically the V1 Bolt and Roam models. This issue, reminiscent of the Y2K bug, has left many riders feeling like they've time-traveled back to 2006. Imagine my surprise when my Wahoo Element Roam insisted it was New Year's Day, despite the warm summer morning sun. I wasn't alone in this bizarre experience. A hidden firmware bug in Wahoo's older V1 computers caused widespread havoc over the weekend. Complaints flooded online forums and communities, with riders reporting various issues. Some lost entire ride files, while others experienced data loss or incorrect date stamping. GPS-related problems were common, including frozen maps, inaccurate tracking, and complete loss of signal. The culprit? A quirk on how GPS systems measure time, which Wahoo failed to account for. It's a non-malicious error, but incredibly frustrating for users. But here's where it gets controversial. Should Wahoo have foreseen this issue and taken preventative measures? And what about the impact on ride data and user experience? These are questions worth exploring further. What are your thoughts on this GPS glitch? Do you think Wahoo should have anticipated this issue? Share your opinions in the comments below.